I purchased and installed the Apex Tactical Failure Resistant Extractor Glock Gen 4. If you get on their Apex website, it says that it'll also fit in Gen 5, and it fit fine in mine. On Midway, it's item number 738412. I watched and followed the instructions on the video Glock extractor replacement on YouTube. I didn't have any problems. I've had far fewer failures where the extractor failed to hold on to the rim of the case. In part 1, I had a failure rate of 5 out of 175 shots, which is 2.8%. Since replacing the extractor, I've had 4 or 5 failures out of hundreds of rounds, somewhere between 400 and 600 rounds. So it's reduced it significantly. Also, the failures I had were with a load that was quite a bit more than minor power factor, and I don't need to shoot the bullets that fast to make power factor, so I wondered whether or not the higher velocity load was causing problems. I've been cleaning the fouling on the extractor where the rim of the case goes behind it, wondering if that helps reduce the failures.